Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle Semester Series, Standard 1st, Semester 2nd book, page number 22. Yesterday, we have learnt activity language development. That first one is observe the pictures, write the words with the given sound, read each word aloud and learn the spelling. Learn the spelling. Sound BR they have given. BR, that is brick. 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 Then bread. BREAD. Then brown. 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 GR. GR. Gra. That is grass. GRASS. Grapes. 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 Grinder. GRINDER. Then sound of TR. TR. Tree. 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 TRAIN. Train. Tray. 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 Then FR. Frog. 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 Fruits. FRUITS. FROCK. Frog. After that FL. Flag. FLAG. FLUT. Flute. Floor. FLOUR. Floor. Then CR. Crown. CROWN. CROW. CROSS. Cross. Now second one is rearrange the words and write and rewrite the sentences. Rearrange the words and write and rewrite the sentences. That is dog, ball, the is playing with a. Is there any meaning with this word, with this sentence? Dog, ball, these all are words and made a sentence. Dog, ball, the is playing with a. No. So see here, this is rearrange. इसको अरेंज नहीं करके लिखा है, अभी हम इसको अरेंज करके लिखेंगे. देखो हाउ टू राइट. द THE the dog, DOG dog is playing, PLAYING playing, WITH with a ball, BALL. Now see, the dog is playing with the ball. Have you got it? The dog is playing with a ball. TH the DOG dog, IS is PLAYING playing, WITH with a BALL ball. Now it is, we have rearrange the words and rewrite the sentences. We have already written. Okay, we have already written the swimming. The is in duck pond. The swimming, the is in duck pond. The, what will you do here? The duck, right? The 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 DUCK duck, IS is swimming, SWIMMING. See here the spelling of swimming, SWMMING, swimming in the 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 pond, POND. So See here. Swimming the is in duck pond the. The th the duck duck is swimming swimming in th the pond pond. The duck is swimming in the pond. Swimming the is in duck pond the. You are getting any meaning here? No, no? Yes. The duck is swimming in the pond. See here. The duck is swimming, no? This is the correct sentence we have wrote. Now, playing are children the in sand. Playing are children the in sand. You are getting any meaning over here? No. The children, right here, capital CHILDREN. Children are playing PLAYING, playing in the sand. in THE, the sand, SAND. See here. Children are playing in the sand. Playing are children the in sand. Children CHILDREN. Children ARE are playing PLAYING, playing in TH the SAND, sand. Love to I school going. Love to I school going. I love going to school. I love going, GOING, going to school, 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 going to school. So now you don't say that from where teacher has written this sentence, from where teacher has wrote this sentence. No. See here. Love to I school going. There is any meaning? This only sentence I have corrected and I have written it. I love going to school. I LOVE, love, GOING, going, TO2, SCHOOL, school. Have you got it? Okay. Now, activity grammar, preposition. Activity grammar, preposition. Circle the things Tarun has on his table. On his table. What we have to do? This is Tarun's table, no? This is table of Tarun. Can you see? Yes. This is Tarun's table. And on the table, what is there, no? You have to circle these words. The things Tarun has on his table. Words are given here. You have to circle them. So, only they have asked you on the table. Only on the table. Okay? See here. The things Tarun has on his table. On his table, what is there? No, that much only you have to circle. That first one is there. What's here? Book. You have to circle the book. Circle the book. Then again, what you see here? Again, what do you see? Pencil is there. Pencil, yes. Then you can see the pen stand. Yes, very good. Pen stand also is there. Again, what you can see there? Crown box. Yes. Crown box is there. Only on the table they have asked you. On the table. On the table only they have asked you. जो टेबल के ऊपर है. Yes. Book you have marked. Book is there. pencil is there, pen stand is there, and crayon box is there. Color, to color the drawing book. Crayon box is there. Yes or no? Okay. So, and clock is not on the table. Chair is not on the table. So, whatever is there, we have already circled them. That is book, pencil, pen stand, crayon box. Have you got it? Yes. Now, page number. Now, we have completed page number 23. Now, page number 24. Page number 24, second one. Circle the things Tanya has in her cupboard. Tanya has in her cupboard. In the cupboard, what is there? No, what you can see, no, that you go on making the circle. Go and making the, go and see here. Frog, can you see the frogs? Yes, frogs are there. Teddy bear is there. Teddy is there. Then what can you see again? Frogs, teddy. Fish mobile is there. See, can you see the fish mobile? No. Fish. See here, fish. Fish. After that, purses. Can you see, no? What is there in the cupboard? In the cupboard, no? That only you go on. You just put a circle for that. The things that Tanya has in her cupboard. Frogs, fish, teddy, purses. Shoes, mobile, pillow, basket is there? No, it's not there. Okay. Whatever is there, we have circled it. Then, third one. Correct the correct position word. Correct the correct position word. The cat is jumping over under the chair. Over cat. See here. C-A-T cat. Cat. The cat is jumping over or under the chair. Over, no? Up, ऊपर से jump कर रहा है नीचे से. Under means what? नीचे से. Over यानी ऊपर से jump कर रहा है. Over. So you correct this one. This way. Correct. The mouse is sitting over under the chair. Over under the chair. The mouse under, no? See here. Under. Over I have told you. Upar ka bhag. Nay, it's under. So you do for this. Correct the correct position we have done. Now, Moti, the dog, is behind in front of the gate. Behind. Moti the dog is behind in front of the gate. Behind यानी पीछे. पीछे ही है ना कुत्ता. See here. This is dog. Moti. It's behind only. This cat is front. So behind. Fluffy, the cat, is behind in front of the gate. Fluffy is the name of the cat. Fluffy. P-L-U-F-F-Y. Fluffy, the cat, is behind in front of the gate. Behind? No, in front of the gate. So, this is to be corrected in the second one. Fluffy. P-L-U-F-F-Y. Fluffy, the cat, is in front of the gate. In front of the gate. Mr. Rohit Mr. Mohito is standing near between the trees. Mr. Mohito is standing near between the trees. Mohito is standing between the two trees. Between. This is between. The children are playing near between the trees. Near. Mark as near. Now read the lesson. Read the lesson. Fish in the pond. Fish in the pond. Underline the prepositions as you read. As you read. Underline the preposition. So, preposition underline. You read the lesson and underline. Near, near. In, near, in. On, after, behind, under, under, these are preposition. Underline the preposition. Near, in, on, after, behind, under. Near, near. In, on, after, behind, under. You read the lesson and you will find out it. Okay. See here. The challenge. Write 3 sentences using different prepositions. Challenge. Write 3 sentences using different prepositions. My house is near the main market. My house is near the main market. Now second one. Your book is in your bag. Your book, BOOK, book. Your book is in your bag. BAG, bag. Is in your bag. Third one is, you come after me. You, come, COME, come. After, after, ME, me. See here. The house is near the main market. MY, my, HOUSE, house. IS is, NEAR, near. TH, the, MAIN, main. MARKET, market. Your, your book, BOOK, book. IS is, IN, in. Your, in your bag, BAG. You, YOU, come, COME, come. after, me. These are the 3 sentences using different prepositions. Now, position words. Position, POSITION, words, WORDS. Position words I will give. You write here. Question number, this is challenge, right? This is question number 1 and this is position words, question number 2. Question number 2. Here you can write 2 and here I will give A1. Question. Where is the dog? WHERE. Where? IS is, TH, the, DOG, dog. Question mark. Okay. Now I will write the answer. I will write that answer down only. The dog is outside the, TH, the, dog, DOG, dog. IS is outside, OUT, out, SIDE, side, outside the, TH, the, kennel, KENNEL. So you have to circle the preposition that is outside. And B1 I'll give you now. Where is the puppy? WHERE. Where is T-H-E, the puppy, P-U-P-P-Y, puppy, question mark. Answer is, where is the puppy? The puppy is T-H-E, the puppy, P-U-P-P-Y, puppy is inside, I-N-S-I-D-E, inside, T-H-E, the kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. You circle the inside, inside, inside. Where are the children playing? Where are the children? C1. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where are the children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Answer is, the children are playing, the C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children are playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing on the ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, G-R-O-U-N-D, on, you circle on. Now the next question is, one more question is there. C is over. Now D1. See here. D1 question is, where is the tree? W-H-E-R-E, where is the tree? T-R-E-E, tree. The tree is, T-R-E-E, tree is near the kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. So the tree is, for near you have to circle. Have you got it, children? See here. Preposition words also marked. Position words also marked, already given. The dog is outside the kennel. The puppy is inside the kennel. The children are playing on the ground. The tree is near the kennel. Position words they are. Okay, children. So I have completed from page number. Write the sentences using different position also. Prepositions also completed. Positions words also I have given. So from page number, today what I have taught is from page number 23. From page number 23, rearrange the words and rewrite the sentences. From there, page number 23 to 24, you have to write for two times. Two times. Write only for two times and learn by heart. Have you got the homework? From page number 23 to 24. Write for two times and learn by heart. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.